Hi guys, welcome to SMC Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to join Reddio Testnet Airdrop. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find our content helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token, WikiCat, built on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address will be in the description. So in today's tutorial, we'll be using basically Mrs. Browser, and as you can see, we already have that on our screen. So how this airdrop works is it's actually like a points system kind of thing. Like you accumulate points from completing tasks, social tasks, on-chain tasks, referrals, and all sort of tasks, right? So the goal is to accumulate as many points as possible, right? So we're going to start ASAP by opening Mrs. Browser. Alright, so next we're going to search Reddio. Alright, so once you're here, the first thing to do is to connect your wallet. Select the hamburger icon. Select connect. Select MetaMask. Select connect. So once we've connected our wallet, select get early access. Alright, so what we're going to do here is to authenticate our Twitter account and follow Reddio account. So select go, authorize app. So once your Twitter account has been authenticated, you will have to start your task. So select go. Alright guys, so you can see that there's a number of tasks here to complete, and you can see their respective rewards in points. So ensure that you go through them and complete as many as you can have completed. Alright, so another way to earn points is using their testnet. So come over to testnet. Alright, so you can see that these are the tasks that you can do on their testnet to earn points. Claim red token from their faucet, complete testnet transfer, execute bridge transaction. We're going to do all of these tasks, right? Come over to the hamburger icon, select testnet. Alright, so the first thing here is to add Reddio Testnet to your wallet. So select connect, MetaMask. Select connect, approve. So you can see it has been added to our wallet. Next is to get the test token, so select go to faucet. Alright, so we'll have to enter our Ethereum address. So we'll have to go to our wallet to get our address. Okay, so we're going to switch our network to Sepolia Ethereum. Sepolia. Okay. Alright, so we'll copy address. Then we go back and paste, then select claim. Alright, so our token has been sent to our wallet. So once you have gotten your test tokens, go back to the testnet. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is to do some bridging. So scroll up and select go to bridge. Okay, select connect wallet. Select MetaMask. Alright, so once your wallet is connected, input the amount of Ethereum that you want to bridge. Select deposit to Reddio. Alright, so we have successfully bridged our Ethereum. Alright, so you can also bridge from Reddio to Ethereum. Select withdraw, input the amount of Ethereum that you want to bridge, and select withdraw from Reddio. Confirm. Alright, so once that is done, the next step is to claim. Select step 2. Select claim. Alright, so we have successfully claimed our tokens. Alright, so we're going to go over to our profile to see how much points we've earned from doing these tasks. Alright, select the hamburger icon. By coming over here to profile, Alright, so you can see our point has not been credited yet, so we're just going to wait. You can also earn more points from referrals, right? So just copy your referral link and send it over to your friends. So if you don't see your points immediately, you might have to wait before you can see your points on your profile. So that's basically it on this one. Thank you for watching the tutorial. If you have questions concerning the tutorial, do not hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section. And please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Bye.